If you're looking for a luxury car you can buy today and confidently drive for the next 10 years, this list is for you. These models are reliable, comfortable, stylish, and trusted by mechanics everywhere. No headaches, no regrets, just pure long-term luxury. Looking for a luxury SUV you can buy today and drive for the next 10 years without regret? The Infiniti FX35 is one of the strongest choices you can make. This model is powered by Nissan's legendary VQ35 engine, a motor known for hitting 250,000 to 300,000 miles with ease. For long-term ownership, that reliability alone makes it stand out. The FX35 is also one of the most stylish crossovers of its time. Even today, it doesn't look old. The sporty body shape, the wide stance, and the aggressive front end still turn heads. Inside, you get supportive leather seats, a driver-focused cockpit, and interior materials that age surprisingly well. What makes the FX35 perfect for 10-year ownership is its simple, durable design. No complicated electronics, no fragile luxury systems, and no expensive surprises. Just a strong engine, a solid transmission, and a crossover that feels fun every time you drive it. If you want performance, style, and long-term durability in one package, the FX35 is a luxury SUV you truly won't regret owning for a decade or more. Some luxury cars are made to impress, some are made to perform, but the 2007 Lexus ES350 feels like it was built to keep you happy for the next decade. This sedan has become the go-to choice for buyers who want long-term comfort, effortless reliability, and a smooth driving experience that still feels premium even after many years of ownership. Right away, the ES350 stands out because of its legendary 3.5-liter V6 engine. Mechanics praise this motor for its durability, and many owners easily reach 250,000 to 300,000 miles without major repairs. It starts every morning with the same calm confidence, runs quietly, and delivers smooth power that makes daily driving feel easy. For anyone planning to keep a car for 10 years, this engine alone makes the ES350 a top recommendation. Inside the ES, the experience becomes even more convincing. The cabin is quiet, remarkably quiet. Lexus engineered this interior to feel like a small luxury retreat. Soft leather seats, warm wood trim, and excellent sound insulation work together to create a peaceful atmosphere even on rough roads. Long trips feel shorter, commutes feel softer, and stress simply melts away the moment you start driving. The suspension tuning is another highlight. The ES350 isn't trying to be a sports sedan. It's here to be smooth, really smooth. Bumps disappear, highway driving feels stable, and the steering is light and effortless. For older drivers or anyone who values comfort over aggressive handling, this car delivers exactly what you want: calm, predictable, luxurious motion. What makes the ES350 especially attractive for 10-year ownership is its low maintenance cost. Routine service is affordable, parts are easy to find in both the US and Nigeria, and the car rarely surprises you with expensive issues. Electronics are simple, the interior holds up beautifully over time, and the mechanical components are extremely dependable. This sedan just doesn't give you drama. The practicality is another bonus. There's plenty of cabin space, the trunk is huge, and the driving position is perfect for long-distance comfort. Whether you're a daily commuter, a family driver, or someone who simply loves a quiet luxury ride, the ES adapts to your lifestyle effortlessly. Many owners say the same thing. I sold the car and I regretted it, or I kept the car for years because it never gave me a reason to replace it. That's the essence of the 2007 ES350. It may not be flashy or sporty, but it delivers reliability, comfort, and refinement in a way very few luxury sedans can match. If you're looking for a luxury car that will still feel smooth, quiet, and dependable 10 years from now, the 2007 Lexus ES350 is one of the best long-term purchases you can make. Finding a luxury SUV you can confidently drive for the next 10 years isn't easy, But the 2010 Acura MDX makes that decision simple. This model blends Honda-level reliability with premium comfort, strong performance, and the kind of long-term durability that keeps owners loyal for years. Power comes from Acura's 3.7-liter V6, an engine that mechanics describe as bulletproof when properly maintained. Many MDX owners comfortably reach 250,000 miles or more, and the motor stays smooth and responsive through the years. For a luxury SUV, that level of dependability is rare, and it's exactly why the MDX remains a top long-term buy. Inside, the MDX delivers a practical and upscale experience. The leather seats are supportive, the cabin layout is clean, and the materials age far better than many European competitors. There's plenty of room for passengers, and the third row is actually usable, something most luxury SUVs can't claim. Families especially appreciate how easy it is to load, unload, and travel long distances in this SUV. Driving the MDX feels confident and controlled. The handling is surprisingly sporty for a 7-seater, and the ride quality stays smooth even on rougher pavement. It's comfortable enough for daily commuting, yet capable enough for long road trips or light off-road driving. It's a luxury SUV that doesn't feel heavy or sluggish, which is one of the reasons owners enjoy it for years. Maintenance costs are another major advantage. Because it shares engineering with Honda, parts are affordable, repairs are straightforward, and major issues are uncommon. That's what makes the MDX perfect for anyone planning to keep a vehicle long-term. You get luxury without luxury-level repair bills. For drivers who want comfort, practicality, reliability, and strong resale value, the 2010 Acura MDX is a luxury SUV you can buy today and confidently drive for the next decade. Some luxury cars look great when they're new, but only a few stay reliable enough to drive for the next 10 years. And the 2009 Mercedes-Benz E350 is one of those rare exceptions. This model belongs to an era when Mercedes focused on strong engineering, simple mechanics, and durable materials, making it one of the most dependable modern Mercedes sedans you can buy. Powering the E350 is a smooth and proven 3.5-liter V6 engine. It delivers the classic Mercedes feel, effortless acceleration, quiet operation, and long-term consistency. Owners often reach 200,000 miles and beyond, and mechanics recognize this engine as one of the brand's most trustworthy designs. For a luxury German sedan, that level of dependability stands out in a big way. Inside, the E350 offers a driving experience that is both elegant and timeless. The seats are supportive and comfortable, the dashboard layout is clean, and the materials have aged remarkably well. You get real Mercedes quality here, not overly complicated technology, not fragile luxury features, just well-built components designed to last. Out on the road, the E350 shines. The suspension provides a perfect blend of softness and control, giving the car a confident, planted feel at any speed. Highway driving becomes effortless. City driving feels calm, and the cabin stays quiet even after years of use. It's a sedan that still feels premium long after it leaves the factory. What truly makes the 2009 E350 a smart 10-year choice is its balance of luxury and simplicity. Compared to newer Mercedes models, there are fewer electronic systems to break, fewer expensive repairs to worry about, and overall better build quality. Routine maintenance keeps it running strong, and major issues are far less common than in later generations. For drivers who want a real Mercedes experience, comfort, prestige, and durability, without sacrificing long-term reliability, the 2009 E350 is one of the smartest luxury sedan purchases you can make. Some luxury SUVs feel old after a few years. Some start getting expensive, and some lose their comfort over time. But the 2010 to 2015 Lexus RX 350 is the complete opposite. This generation is so reliable, so smooth, and so well built that many owners confidently keep it for 10 years, sometimes even 15 or more, without ever thinking about replacing it. Everything starts with the legendary 3.5-liter V6 engine. Lexus and Toyota perfected this motor, and mechanics constantly praise it for being one of the most dependable engines ever put in a luxury SUV. It's common to see these RX models reaching 300,000 miles on original engines and transmissions. No drama, no surprises, just consistent, smooth performance year after year. If you're planning long-term ownership, this engine is exactly what you want under the hood. Inside the RX 350, comfort takes center stage. The seats are soft and supportive, the cabin is incredibly quiet, and the suspension absorbs bumps like a luxury car should. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating busy city streets, the RX always feels composed. It's the kind of SUV that makes long trips relaxing and daily driving effortless. Many owners describe it as the most comfortable car they've ever owned, and that comfort doesn't fade with time. The interior materials also age extremely well. Lexus used high-quality leather, durable plastics, and solid buttons that don't wear out easily. Even after more than a decade, the cabin still feels premium. No loose parts, no rattles, no cheap-feeling components. Just classic Lexus build quality. Practicality is another reason the RX is a perfect 10-year vehicle. The cargo space is huge, the rear seats fold easily, and the driving position is ideal for all ages. Seniors love how easy it is to get in and out. Families love the reliability and space, and daily commuters love the quiet ride and low maintenance costs. It's a rare SUV that truly works for every type of driver. When it comes to ownership costs, the RX shines again. Routine maintenance is affordable, parts are widely available, and major repairs are uncommon. This isn't like European luxury SUVs that start getting expensive after 80,000 miles. The RX just keeps going. It's predictable, dependable, and extremely trustworthy. For anyone who wants a luxury SUV, they can buy today and confidently drive for the next decade. The 2010 to 2015 Lexus RX 350 checks every box. Smooth, quiet, durable, comfortable, and built to last. It's no surprise this model remains one of the highest-rated luxury SUVs ever made. Few luxury SUVs are built to handle a decade of ownership the way the 2003 Lexus GX470 can. This model is famous for blending premium comfort with true Land Cruiser strength, making it one of the safest long-term luxury purchases you can make. For many owners, keeping a GX for 10 years isn't a plan. It's the natural result of a vehicle that simply refuses to wear out. Power comes from the legendary 4.7-liter V8 engine, a motor known around the world for extreme durability. It's not unusual for GX470s to reach 300,000 to 400,000 miles, and many surpass that milestone with only basic maintenance. This engine doesn't get stressed, doesn't get noisy, and doesn't get weak with age. It just keeps running smoothly, year after year. Inside, the GX brings serious luxury. The leather seats stay soft, the wood trim holds its shine, and the cabin remains quiet, even after decades of use. It's a comfortable place to spend time, whether you're taking a long trip or just heading around town. The interior build quality is so strong that many GX models still look and feel new despite their age. Where the GX truly separates itself from other luxury SUVs is capability. Rough roads, mud, steep hills, or even deep water, the GX handles challenges that would leave most luxury vehicles helpless. Yet, despite all that strength, it drives smoothly and calmly on regular roads, delivering that signature Lexus comfort. Maintenance costs stay surprisingly reasonable compared to European luxury SUVs, and mechanical issues are rare. That's why both mechanics and owners consistently recommend the GX470 for long-term use. It's one of those vehicles you buy once, maintain properly, and enjoy for a very, very long time. For anyone looking for a luxury SUV that can deliver comfort, durability, and reliability for the next 10 years and beyond, the Lexus GX470 is one of the best choices ever made.